So, welcome to another Clojure Diary video. I am coding a database. Of course, and I am coding a GraphQL layer on top of the database. So, this database is supposed to work directly with front-end developers. So, they no need to wrap an app uh, on the database so that the need for back-end developers is eliminated initially. Okay, so definitely, like in GraphQL layer, we give a stuff called limit and offset and all those stuff. So you have a collection. Say you might have a collection like range 1 to 10, right? So of course in Clojure we need to put 11. Okay, so don't ask me why, but it's like that. Okay, so if you want a more sane language, go to Julia, right? So when it comes to this one, right? So of course. I don't know how much Julia is saying, okay, when it comes to other stuff like maintaining programs on the long run and all those things. Okay, so that's the thing. So, and then you need to have an offset. So maybe let me just load this function into memory and limit offset. Okay, so let me just give a offset of 5, right? So that's the thing, right? Oh God, oh God. Okay, I've just given 101. Let me just make it 11, right? Okay, now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the first five is being taken out. Okay, so that's the thing. So actually, what happens over here is you just have the collection over here. So we are just giving thread last over here. So okay. So now what is happening is drop is there and offset option 0. So like we are just trying to get offset from this options. Options is nothing but this one. So it is 5. Okay, so now rather than 0, it becomes 5. And that's it. So the first 5 is being dropped and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is taken. But of course, this once again goes over here. So you just have this take over here, right? And you must imagine like this data goes over here, right? So like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Over here, take limit options, count of collection. So the count of collection is what? Like I think it should be 10. Okay, so because there are 10 elements. Okay, so take 10 and then I think I can just give like star 1. Okay, so okay, yeah, fine, right. Yeah, so the star one means, yeah, whatever you executed one step previous. Okay, so this one, right? So that's the thing. And yeah, so everything has been taken. Thankfully, yeah, Clojure doesn't say like, okay, like index out of range or something like that, which we encounter in other languages. But I don't know whether other languages have fixed it or something like that. But that's how it is. Okay, so this is where, okay, if you just give only offset, okay, so that's the thing. And let's say like we just give limit, okay, only limit, okay, so yeah, and I just give like limit, okay, so limit, okay, and let me just give some other number 3, right, and only first 3 element, what to say, is being taken. So it tries to find offset. If it's not, if there is no offset, it's just 0, right? Okay, so and I don't know whether I'm lucky or not. Okay, so I just found out that okay, if you in Clojure, what to say, map, okay, you just have this options. You just try for this one. I never knew that we can just give default as a second argument for this offset or limit or whatever it is. Okay, so I never knew that, and I was happy to discover. Anyway, thanks to LLM, I discovered. Okay, so just like AI has improved chess and other stuff. Okay, so after beating Gary Kasparov and long ago, like it's now improving coding. That's what I just feel. But I don't know, like what will happen. Like maybe it will replace us. I'm not sure, but even if it replaces us, okay, so I think it's for good because we can then start looking at products rather than looking at code. Okay, so it's really really good. Okay, so that's the thing. And okay, so I just gave limit 3. Okay, so it just took the 3 limits. Okay, so here the offset becomes naturally 0. So that's how it is. So this is as good as saying offset 0, right? So offset 0. Okay, so and let's say yeah, like offset 5. So it just takes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and only limits to 3. I think we should get 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay. So okay, so here the only thing is like okay, like what will be the default values when your things are missing. Okay, so and this also works with uh, what to say when nothing is being given in this map. Okay, so oops. Okay, so even when nothing is given in the maps, the offset definitely becomes zero, and take becomes like count of collection, which becomes every element in collection, right? So that's how it is. So yeah, like these are all like some of the things you can just practice, and that's the thing. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you like this video, and I'm very much impressed because yeah, there is. I just found out like there is a way to give default. And look at the code, how terse it is. Okay, before I was just thinking of if and what if. I was just thinking of okay, like passing limit and option. Okay, rather than this option as map. Okay, right. I was just thinking about like passing limit and offset over here, and then checking out okay whether they were nil or not, and then giving what to say like default values. And I was thinking of huge code and maybe helped by AI, like uh, it became terse. But I don't know whether in other languages we can uh, put such a small code and achieve so much. I'm really not sure. Right. So maybe I just need to write a documentation over here. So yeah, so like yeah, so that's the thing. And apart from that, nothing, right? So right. Anyway, thanks for watching, and until we meet in next video, bye.